What's up, bro? Cool, bro. How is your online class going on? It's interesting. This time I will ask you a question. Bring it on, bro. There were 3 apples in front of an elephant, but elephant ate only 2 apples. Why? Huh, I know it. Elephant was not hungry. No, bro, because the remaining apple was made up of plastic. Oh, so funny. Next one. There were 3 apples in front of the elephant. Okay. He didn't eat any apple, but why? Come on, bro. I know the answer. All 3 apples were made up of plastic. Your answer is wrong. The elephant was made up of plastic. Huh? How can this happen? Now there was one original apple and one original elephant. The elephant didn't have the apple, but why? This is too much, bro. I don't know the answer. Elephant was inside the TV on Discovery Channel. And apple was on the table in front of the TV. Oh man! Now both the elephant and apple were inside the TV. Still the elephant couldn't eat the apple. Why? Come on, bro! Use your brain, bro. Let me try. This time the elephant inside the TV was not hungry. Because they were in different channels. Don't make me angry. I know you are angry, but you have to hear this one. Okay. This time both were in the same channel. You mean elephant and apple? Yes, bro. Elephant couldn't eat the apple, but why? No idea, bro. Because the TV was off. My God. I'm gonna beat you.